All right, welcome to beautiful Hayden Lake, Idaho. I am Rebekah, and this is my friend Bruce, buddy Bruce. This is my mentor, Bruce. In fact, Bruce taught me how to water ski. You taught me how to boat. You taught me how to do an interview when I was terrified, because you terrified me.
Because I scared you.
Yes. And you've helped me learn how to play guitar. You taught us how to do fire starter. That was super important in our life. Fire starter was super cool. All right, we are going to sing some songs tonight with Bruce. One of the greatest things about Bruce is that he knows the guitar so well that he can just pick it out. And step by step you'll lead me, and I will follow you all of my days. Okay, so we're gonna do that like twice. Okay.